Students, my name is Mr. Sesi George, the Senior Lecturer, Georgian Theory Concepts. In today's class, I want to discuss the concepts of ethics of accounting. Ethics of accounting. So by looking at number 1, the meaning of ethics. Number 2, the meaning of accounting ethics. Number 3, the qualities of an accountant, the benefits of accounting ethics, unethical behavior in accounting profession, penalties for unethical practices, and lastly, we are going to mention the accounting professionals and regulatory body. Okay, so let's get started. All right, now what is ethics? I'll start by defining ethics as the established code of conduct, mode of behavior, pattern, practice, standards, and principles that must be embraced generally in a given profession or situation. That is what we call ethics, the code of conduct, the principles, the practices that must be embraced in a given profession. All right, write it down. Now, what is accounting ethics? All right, accounting ethics. Accounting ethics can be defined as a generally accepted code of conduct, standards, practices, and principles of accounting that must be embraced by accountants or professionals in accounting profession. Okay? Now, I said accountant. Who is an accountant? An accountant is a qualified person who is trained in bookkeeping and in preparation, auditing, and analysis of financial statements. Accountants usually prepare the annual reports and financial statements of a company for the purpose of planning and decision making. Also, he advises on tax laws and investments opportunities. So that is an accountant. Please write it down. Now, let's look at the qualities of an accountant. So for you to be an accountant, you must possess the following qualities, which I'm about to mention. Number 1, an accountant must be honest. What do we mean by honest? That is, it must be truthful. Okay? It must be candid and straightforward. You must be a straightforward person. All right? Let your yes be yes, your no be no. Okay? Your A is A, your B is B. Okay? So it must be a straightforward person. Now, secondly, an accountant must be transparent. Okay? We talk of transparency, which means open-minded. You must be an open-minded person as an accountant. You must be, all right, you must be straightforward in dealing with people, okay, or with clients or business. All right. Then thirdly, which is very important, integrity. All right, integrity. Apart from being honest, you must be very fair in dealing with people. Okay, they must know you as somebody who is above board. Okay, that is integrity. When you are above board, okay, man, you must be man or woman of integrity. All right. Then objectivity. As an accountant, you must not allow conflict of interest or undue interest to override your profession. Okay, you must follow the generally accepted pattern in the profession. You must not allow undue interest or selfish interest to override your decisions. Okay? Then, as an accountant, you must be professionally competent. You must be competent. Anything you are doing, let people see that you are professional. You must always show professionalism in your duties. When you are discharging your work, anything you lay your hands upon, or any analysis you are doing, it must be done professionally. You must be competent and also with due care. All right. Now, confidentiality. As an accountant, you must be be trustworthy. You must not expose vital information to the public or to the competitors, except the one that is required by law. So you must be secretive about business information, vital information. Okay, so confidentiality too. Then lastly, professional behavior. As an accountant, you must follow the guidelines, the rules and regulations. You must comply with the norms of the professional body. For example, ICANN. Okay, you must comply with standards, accounting standards, okay, in discharging your duties. All right, okay, class. Now let's look at the benefits of accounting ethics. Number one, it makes people to have confidence in accountants and services provided. Okay, it also ensures that accountants follows and maintain professional knowledge and skills. Okay, also it makes accountants impartial and loyal to business organizations. It improves the efficiency and effectiveness of the business as a whole. Then it ensures that complete, accurate and reliable information is presented. All right, it helps to to create positive image of the company. All right, and also for the accountant as a person. Then it maintains standards that leads to improved survival of the business. Now let's quickly look at unethical behavior in accounting profession. It's very, very important to know this. Number one, providing erroneous information that is full of errors, okay, regarding business transactions. All right, then another unethical issue is that the misuse of business funds. Accountants must not do that. Okay, you must not do that. Then exaggerating business revenue, then misappropriation of financial statements or manipulating the financial statements. Okay, maladministration of business entity. Okay, you must not be found in such unethical issues. Okay, now once you are found in that, there are penalties. And what are these penalties? Number one, your license may be suspended. Okay, may be suspended. Then you may be terminated, to practice as an accountant. That is termination of right of practice. Then you may also, your membership as an accountant to the accounting body may be withdrawn once you are found in all these unethical issues I've mentioned earlier. Then you may be asked to pay fines or face the judiciary charges may be charged against you. All right, then let's quickly look at the accounting bodies, accounting professional bodies and regulatory bodies. Accounting professional and regulatory bodies. Okay, number one, of course, we have the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, which is very, very important. We also have International Accounting Standards Board. We have banks and other financial institutions as part of the regulatory body, followed by the accountants. We have Companies Highlight Matter Acts of 1990. All right, then we have Insurance Acts of 2003. Okay, we also have International Financial Reporting Standards, Security Exchange Commission Acts, Pension Acts, Personal Income Tax Acts, and so on. All right, so I think I have to stop here. I wish you best of luck in your exams as students. This topic is a new topic in financial accounting at your level, so I want you to embrace the topic. Then play this video over so that you understand the topic, because you may be asked what is accounting ethics. You should be able to explain 5 accounting ethics. Okay, what are the qualities of an accountant and so on. So I wish you best of luck. Don't forget to always remain safe. Bye.